Okay, George done crumbled up this cornbread stuff out of that loaf pan.
You
See?
take it out of the pan, and you use the same pan that you take it out of.
So don't
you're
wash
not
that.
dirtying your whole kitchen. And then you crumble up
Cut it up.
the cornbread. Of course, Matt won't eat plain cornbread. No, he's got to have honey and butter on his. So
Or
I
maple
can't
syrup,
even get
or-
him to taste it.
You already did, but off camera.
No, you pushed me away and said I don't eat it like that.
You said you taste tested it. I saw you.
I taste tested it,
There you
yes. But I wanted you to taste it. No, I don't eat it like that.
They trust you. I trust you.
I don't eat it like that. Go back away.
Y'all get the feeling I've been aggravating George all day. Stepped in her kitchen with a camera. Why she said at the beginning of the last one, will somebody invite him over? And don't worry about the big pieces, right? Because they go
No,
smush.
they kind of just smush once you put the... Okay, so what you've got
What
is...
ingredients are you got?
Let me stir this up. You've got chicken broth,
4 cups of chicken broth over there?
well, you're probably not going to use that much, but
That's what you got.
it's what I got. And onion powder, celery, and poultry seasoning. I know, sounds crazy,
But that's what you got.
that's what has been used ever since before I was born.
And it's not your standard celery salt. We have a
No.
no salt celery
We have
seasoning.
no salt celery seasoning. I've been cooking with no salt since I
Gosh,
was
90
probably 9 years old, maybe 10, because my mom had high blood pressure, and back then, you know, the first thing they said was cut back on your salt, so everything that we did, we had to do without salt. Okay, so, like I
Celery
said,
seasoning.
I don't measure.
Eyeball it.
I don't measure. So you just shake it in there.
And that one, if it doesn't taste right, you can add more later
You
to
can
your
add
plate.
more later.
I put it on
Yeah.
her egg salad. It's awesome. Here comes that onion powder.
And then the poultry seasoning. This is where all the magic happens. Because if you don't have the right amount, it's not enough. And if you don't have the right amount, it's too much.
So basically you covered up the celery with the onion powder so you couldn't see it. Then you covered the onion powder with the poultry so you couldn't see it. Is that a measurement?
Shut up.
Nope. I'm helping you narrate it.
You're not helping me at all.
It's not a tripod. I'm actually holding it.
And then you just mix it. And you want it to be a little bit wet because when it cooks, you gotta bake it again. So when you bake it, you want it to be able to cut like a cornbread. Our family's stuffing is not like stuffing at all. It's like a...
It's dressing. It's not
dressing.
cornbread.
It's not, you know.
Well, yeah, it's not soaked up. It's the stuff that I would ask for big chunks of celery and big pieces of onion in it. But to satisfy everybody, we don't put it in. But it bakes nice. Get a crunch in it.
Perfect.
Perfect meaning add more ingredients. Okay.
Just a little bit of juice.
No reason the juice. Buddy.
But see, once you put the water in, or the chicken broth in, everything just kind of
Gels together?
gels together. You want to taste it?
No, you're the one that eats it that way. I'm the one that eats it after it comes out of the oven.
Why would you taste it? Just taste it.
You always have me do the taste testing. And you know how hard it is to talk with food in my mouth?
That's the whole reason why I put food in your mouth.
You heard it here, y'all.
What do you think?
Mmm. Tastes good. I would add stuff to ruin it. That's why I don't cook.
Yeah, exactly. Like mustard, sauerkraut,
Pepper.
pepper.
Hey, you're getting all the way over there. Oh, I'm coming over the shoulder shot, George.
Sorry.
No reason to apologize unless it falls on the floor. Can't have that.
But see,
It's not floor
I would
spaghetti.
ask my mom to leave me about this much when I was little.
Yeah, when you were little.
With the
but now you gotta do
onions,
the other
with the
corner,
celery in it.
don't you? Yeah, the crunchies.
And I told her I needed to taste it, but
Needed to.
I needed to. Yeah. I couldn't wait. Always had to have.
George, you're cooking in your lucky shirt.
I know. Maybe everything will come out right if I. Maybe that's the only thing I'll get out of the lucky shirt.
A really decent meal.
A really decent meal. And then you just smash it down until
Evenly.
it's evenly, and then it'll break a bit. It'll
Expect me to
bake.
edit that out? I don't know what those words are.
You don't have to edit that out. It'll bake. They know what I mean.
Yes, they do. They've been watching you for years.
It'll bake and get crunchy on the top.
You can slice and serve it, scoop it however you want, right out of the pan. The temperature. Dun, 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 dun.
350. Not as long as if you're doing a cornbread,
Well, it's already cooked.
because it's already cooked. You just gotta make sure that you cook it till the moisture's out of it.
Awesome.
Do you want to see homemade mac and cheese?
Don't have time for that. We'll have to subscribe and come back.
Okay.
I'm gonna come back, George.
Come back and I'll show you macaroni and cheese.
Hint, hint. It's over there. Some of it's in here. And George is the rest of it, so y'all want to see. Happy Thanksgiving. We'll see you guys later.
Happy Thanksgiving.